So if you ever have a dryer that's not working that efficiently or seems to be taking a while to dry the clothes, um, most likely this is what you're running into. As you can see, that's the dryer vent hole right there, and it's pretty plugged. And then that goes up, and then it's got to travel uphill, so you can see if it's clogged here, it's not going to just push it all the way up. I mean, even though you have a lint trap, you would think it would catch all that, but it just still gets past that. And then here's your little little tube, and if you look inside, that thing's packed with stuff, and this thing's really heavy. So there's like a lot of stuff in there. So what I use is a leaf blower. So I'll take this outside and blow it out with a leaf blower. You want to make sure there's no holes anywhere, because then it just gets all over your laundry room. And then I use like this metal tape to patch it in some places, and then I'll use a leaf blower and I'll shove it in there and then blow it out. And then here at the dryer, you can see it's kind of clogged in there too a little bit. So I'm going to run the leaf blower through here. Now your electric heaters, I believe they're right behind here. And so what it does is it sucks in fresh air, heats it, then it goes through your dryer and then dries the clothes, and then everything, all the hot air and whatever gets past the dust screen, the little clothes dryer screen, comes out through here and then goes up and exits out the house. So I'm going to leaf blow this because I think most likely usually you'll catch fires right in here. This will get so dusty it'll just start igniting and stuff like that. So you want to use a leaf blower and clean this out as well. Then you got, just inside here, you got it's pretty bad in there too, and there's like a little squirrel cage, and that's what pulls the air in from from the back of the heater. And as you can see, there's dust right here. So if there's dust there, there's a bunch of dirt and lint and dust on your heating elements. And your heating elements are just like like your toaster oven. Those little heating elements, they just heat up. I don't know if they actually glow red to get that hot, but they must get hot enough to actually start a fire if it gets bad enough. So I'm definitely going to blow both directions with the leaf blower, then blow this out. Normally I'll just try to do this while it's still in the wall or while it's still attached. But I think at this point I had to take it out to give it a good cleaning. And plus, if it's dirty, it runs longer, so then your belt wears out faster. So I think I got to replace the belt on this too. So anyway, it's really not that difficult of a project if you got a leaf blower, and you'll feel good that you did it and got it over with. So it's just unplugging the electrical, disconnecting the vent, and then just trying to get it outside. If you got a hand truck or a dolly, this really isn't that difficult of a job. Especially, this is something you use probably every week, so it's good to just take care of this thing.